So I came today, the graduates of BD family, the family of Rev. Zero to Agartala. That time Rev. B. Thamchi was the field director. He took us around different places in the South mission fields. We visited many places. Then the next time I came was, I'm not so sure which year, when AICS had a general meeting in Agartala. That time we visited some mission fields and visited also Yakini Academy. And other places as well. So the next time I came was the general meeting of the same association or that was held in Zion Baptist Church, Hnuni. And this time I came here among you with my friend, and I thank God for this opportunity. I want to give thanks again to Rev. Dr. who knows me 2019 he was graduating from Eastern Theological College. And then I was the speaker of the valedictory service graduation. God's instrument, he is God's instrument to propose my name to be in your midst. Then I was thinking who will be the interpreter, maybe Mrs. Angeli, the one with whom I talk more, or anyone. But then I found that Rev. Bishu is here. So I thank him. There in AICS is going to class here and there, and we met, we talked sometimes, and now he is here, standing together. I didn't expect. I want to also give thanks to our hostess, Mr. Ranjit Verma. They are so kind, hosting us. Three of us are driver, and also other groups, the leader group here. They are busy last night also till late night. So I thank the host, Mr. Rajit and his wife, for taking care of us, for their hospitality and everything. God bless them. I also want to give thanks to the Reverend Wallace who are sitting here. The many leaders, the reverends and the non-reverends, the pastors and non-pastors, church leaders who are surrounding us here.
asal leader serono borok class leader borok serono meeting sama peniro borok bang apa
I really appreciate they are really supporting you.
Ang belai ke khabas serono mas ke borok naik mulai subai kemana bagai.
I am a bit lonely, however, today.
Dini ke ang saya hebat kau bisa.
Why am I lonely?
Kami yang lonely, malah kami yang saya hebat kau.
Tell me.
Salah kau.
For my husband?
Ani bisa kirim bagi dia.
For what I'm lonely today?
Kami tidak saya hebat proses hebat kau.
Yeah, somebody talking here. Tell at least one thing. Tell.
Because of not speaking the language.
Would be one thing. Language is communication, so he's communicating what I said to you. Anyway, that is one thing. But more so, among all the women leaders here, none of them are reverend. That is why I am lonely. My dear Reverend Jonas, please ordain some of them later on. They will train up. We have evangelist Konga. I'm not sure she's the only theological graduate. I'm not sure whether many other women are coming up or not. I want to advise you to do your theological studies, and the church leaders cannot be condemned right now because of the non-availability of the women theological graduates. Probably they do not get ordination. It was in 2018 I came to be the speaker in the first graduation service of Tripura Theological College in Agartala. 2018.
2018 DTC kamu di Rev.Dr College ni graduation dia aku speaker ni kau sarang related dia.
That time they still call types.
Aku DTC ni aku tahu ni hari Rev.Dr College aku rasa types ni. Di Rev.Dr Integrated Christian Studies aku